Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick reveal for all, not all, this is some. I don't have every single thing printed out, but I do have quite a bit here printed out and ready to go to share with you for the new releases for February. You're going to hear banging in the background because there's flooring being put in, and I needed to do this, which is why it's not going to be a complete reveal. You'll have to go on the website to see what else there's going to be, but this is the best I can do because I got to take down all of my video equipment. So I'm going to set this off aside and show you some of the freebies. So this one is the swap freebie. So if you're part of the TPC swap thing, this is the swap freebie. So that will come in swap bags from other shops. Then this one here is the TPC sale freebie. So if you're coming to me from the TPC sale and you put in the code, you get this. There's also, you'll see later on when Caitlin puts up the graphics, you'll see what the 20, 40, 60, but I can tell you right now that this is one of these three is the first tier of the freebies. So you'll get one of these since it's classic games, vintage games is the theme. So there's neutral. These are also available in the shop. So if you just want to pick them up, but they're also part of the freebie tiered freebies that you can get. So there's a neutrals, there's a primary colors, and there's a pastels. So if you want to mark your game nights, there's that. Then this is the release for the what do you call it, Magical Mystery monthly subscription. So I will try to link the video below, but there's already a reveal of this out. So if you want to see this in detail, you can check the website, not the website, I can't even think, oh my gosh, there's so much going on in the background, it's distracting me. Okay, so the video for this already up. I'll leave it linked below. So if you want to see in detail this and the foil, it'll be over there. So I'm going to set that one off to the side and go into some of the things that I have up. So this one is the classics because it's classic games. That can refer to video games. It can refer to, you know, board games, whatever's classic. So I thought Mario Brothers was perfect. So this is called It's a Me Mario. And here's all your full boxes. Here's your page 2. Here's all of the little extra boxes, and there's a new format for kits. So Deluxe kit is everything I'm showing you right now is in the Deluxe kit. But then you also have a couple of other options. So when we get through this, I will show you the other options. So that is the end of this one here is the end of the Deluxe kit. And then these are add-ons. So if you have a TPC Nation planner and you want the TPC Nation page, that is that one. And then this one is just an extra one where you've got extra double box, extra other boxes, and then the tall boxes. So this is another extra page that you can add on if you want to. And then also, if you're getting the printable version of this, because I do have a printable section now, you get all of these. So everything is in the printable section. If you're getting the physical stuff, what I showed you is the Deluxe kit, which is available. And then there's also, you can get just this page and just this page if you wanted to. And then of course you have the two at the end. You can get just those. So you do have the option if you want to do like daily or something like that, you have the option to get these two pages right here. And your date covers are in here. Now I moved that so that you can just, if you just want to do a daily spread or something, you can get just those first two pages and you've already got your date covers in there, and then, you know, that's it. So there is It's a Me Mario. Then I want to show you really quick, this is Celestial. This is the monthly version of it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous monthly. So here are your two top pages. So these ones would be your pages. These are the monthly ones that I showed you. You've seen it a bunch of times in my videos. So you've got your monthlies here, and these do fit now the Happy Planner. You've also got your sidebar with this gorgeous, gorgeous girl here. And then you've got these two extras here. So that is the monthly. You've got that in Celestial, and it also has a weekly kit. Sorry, these are all in cellos because I don't want anything to get dusty with all the construction. So everything is in cellos, but I usually just have them out in a box. Here's your full pages. It's gorgeous, just a gorgeous kit. So this is Celestial. This is the weekly version. Here's your page 2. It's so pretty. Love this kit. Can't wait to use it. Here's this one. Not gonna go, just gonna show you the pages. This one is the old format, but you still get the same. All the same stuff, meaning that page right there, the little things aren't on it, but get this one, You get this page. These are all dividers, and then your glitter, then TPC add-on, and your, look at that, your extra boxes add-on. It's just so stinking pretty. I hope this banging isn't too bad for you because it's driving me crazy. I need a break. I need a break. This one is absolutely adorable. So this one is Gnome Bug. This was super cute for, because I love the black and red in here, so it made like a really cute February kit. And it's gnomes, and I love them, so that's why I did Gnome Bug. There's this one, and this one. It's all black and red and white. Little pops of green and yellow for when he's holding his daisies, but other than that, it's all black and red and white, and it's adorable. Your TPC Nation page, and look at how cute this is. This is just so stinking cute. Extra pages. Okay. Extra boxes, sorry. That's Gnome Bug. Then we've got our St. Patrick's Day kit. So this one's called Lucky. Here is Lucky. So you've got your full boxes. It's a very simple, lots of fashion girls in it because that's mostly what the artwork was. But it's cute, and it's going to serve its perfect little purpose for St. Patrick's Day. Love the extra boxes that I put together as well. This is what I mean by littles. So this is new, and then the deco is smaller so that you can use it versus that other page. I only have a couple kits where the page is like the big page of deco, but here's this one. Here's your TPC. Here's your extra boxes with your tall boxes. Pinch proof, just plain Lucky. Super cute. Then this is the monthly version, so you've got the big house in the front. So this is the monthly top, and then the extras for the monthly, which is your sidebar, and sorry, I'm rushing, lunch is on its way. And then your two extras, so that's the monthly. So if you need a monthly for the month of March, you've got that. If you need a kit for that week, that one is there. Then this is super cute, but I wanted to show it to you really fast. So this is the tiered up freebies. So depending on the how much you spend, these are all classic like game board. Look at how stinking adorable that washi is. It's just so cute. So this is just a really, really cute, simple, classic games. It would be perfect for like if you were having like a family game night to mark that week. And so these are, you can tier your way up to that whole entire kit, and it matches with. So these can go with it. These can go with it. This is all a part of this. So there you see how you can kind of tier your way up. Get that one off to the side. Then we have Love Witch. This is a full kit and a monthly. And all of these are available in printable as well. So if you have the ability to print your own and cut your own and you would rather do it that way, these all come. The whole entire thing is in the printable kit. And then if you like I said for the other one, you'll see if you want just certain pages or whatever, I print on unicorn paper. It's bright, beautiful, vibrant colors. If you but if you have the ability to do it yourself, it's there. So here is Love Witch, page 1, page 2. This kit is really, really cute. And I think I'm going to actually use this not for Valentine's Day. I think I'm just going to use this for like an anytime, just like a date, kind of date night kind of a thing, because it's just really pretty and it doesn't necessarily scream that it has to be Valentine's Day on it. The colors are really cute. I love it. So there's that one. So I think I'm going to use this more because it doesn't say Valentine's Day. It doesn't say any of that stuff. It's just like love spells and things like that. But it's really a really cute kit just for any time. So that's why I just said, even though it's, you know, February, I wanted to make sure that I had something up that was kind of universal love themed in case you wanted to use it for something else. So here is one of my favorite kits. This one just makes me want to be here. So this one is called Happy Place. Oops, sorry, got too close. I was too busy looking at it myself. So here's all of your full boxes, and I love this scene where they're out in the woods, and it's like a little cottage up in the trees, like a big tree house. It's really, really cute. set, and I love the teddy bear in here and how she's carrying this giant teddy bear across. So this is called Happy Place. There's all of your full boxes. Here's another full box here, and look at your washi. Isn't that just so stinking adorable? This would be perfect to pair with a foil kit. Here are all of your extra boxes and your date dots, to-dos and todays, and your dividers, and then little things. I hope you guys like this new format for the kits. I really like it. There's so much here, and you can like really spread this out to where you can use it for, if you get the deluxe kit, you're getting a lot of pages. And then all of your dividers and your glitter, and then your TPC page and your extra. Look at these extra boxes. So I did like different skin tones of the same, like the same box, but different skin tones all here and here. And then this is a really pretty double box down here. So there is Happy Place. And then the last one I have to show you today is the Harry Potter. So this is the year 5, Magic School year 5. We have to be very careful about how we word things because we are on the radar right now. So this is all hand-drawn art. You will not find this anywhere else. It is exclusive just to my shop. And this has some of the year 5 stuff. So you've got Luna and the Thestrals. This is for Professor Trelawney. And look at her big old glasses and her teacup for when she got put out. like she was trying to get rid of her. Here's all, no Professor Umbridge's outfit right here. And then look at her book. It says Defensive Magical Theory and who it's by, because, you know, she didn't want you to actually use magic. And then you've got, you know what this is here with the prophecy, and then I must not tell lies with the, and then the Dumbledore's army. Sorry, the banging. The banging is making my brain just like rattle. And then you've got the, I love this, the proclamation. I like tried to pick as many things as that I could pick out from different parts of the movie to just kind of remind you of the whole movie. So here's your proclamation, and Dolores Jane Umbridge has been appointed to the post of Hogwarts High Inquisitor. So you got that one. Then Crookshanks with the ear, the extendable ear, and then all of your washi, and then this page, and then these are just all your like little extras to go with. Then this one you get a full page of all the deco. And then here's your extra boxes, your TPC Nation page, and then look at how stinking beautiful this is. So this is the Christmas scene at Dumbledore, the headquarters. So this is when they all got together. Mr. Weasley was there and they were doing their Christmas stuff. This is the kitchen scene at Sirius's house where they have the thing. And then you've got another close-up of Luna and the Thestral, close-up of the Dumbledore stuff, and then look at this. So you've got the original group in the photo. So that is your extra boxes. So again, this is available as a printable. I'm making all the Harry Potter kits printables as well, so you can print them out, use them as many times as you want to. The only things that are not being put as printables are things that are the this. So this will never be a printable. This is going to be subscription only. It's not going to be available in the Etsy shop, so you know, I'll leave linked below where you can sign up for this if you want it. This is the birthday kit and the birthday themed foil that goes with it. Won't be in the Etsy shop. It's going to be in the subscription shop, but since it is part of the release for February, I wanted to make sure you knew it was out there in case you didn't see the other reveal video. And then that is it. So this is everything that I have along with all the foil for you guys for the month of February so far. There's probably going to be more on the website, but like I said, I can't film after today. So this is the last day I can show you anything physically. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you at the TPC sale from February 10th till February 14th. I think that's the dates, and my shop will be 25% off. So I will see you then, and the code will be listed up on the shop and on TPC and on Instagram and all that stuff on the first day of the sale. So you'll get the code then. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.